Welcome back to the channel, 2021. If you're new to the channel, go through the other videos first, but we've got a lot of good and exciting things coming our way. First of all, to start off the year, we got some massive T-bones. Look at them. About 500-600 grams each, at least. They're from my work. We got grass-fed aged beef from McNab. I've got the barbecue heating up. What I like to do is olive oil my steaks. Bit of salt. You want a lot of steaks. You want a lot of seasoning on a big steak. You'll get that nice crust, and then you'll get that soft inside there. So a bit of pepper, not too much pepper. A bit of salt, if anything.
What was that?
Garlic salt and all-purpose seasoning. I love these. Sorry, you can't really see the steaks. Here we go. Yes, son? You can help me. Say hello to the channel.
Hello, cooking my fatty.
What do they do?
Yeah, they cook
And then what?
and put some sugar
Some sugar? Yeah, there's probably some sugar in there.
and then cut it.
Alright, now that's, you look like that's
Oh, that's
enough
the
salt, isn't it? Well, let's get these on the grill. Come on, son.
That is the fat bit on the side.
Yeah, there's the fat bit that you like.
Dad, can I tuck one in? Dad, can I tuck one in?
Hold those.
Don't let it drop.
Sorry, it's a bit rough. I don't know where to put the camera yet.
On top of your
There we go. The young fella's just broken the pepper glass. Look at him.
fuck.
Hey. Little dogs they are.
Oh, no.
Alright, we're out here on the grill. Alright, ready?
Can I put one in?
One on there first. Just wait. We're just going to get a couple of marks and then we're going to put them on here. Don't, please. Hey, whose channel is this?
Mine.
Sorry for him. Alright.
Can I take this?
Hemi, please don't, I said.
Dad, need to tell you something.
Stop it, Nixon.
Dad,
Stop.
Dad, I need to tell you something. Dad,
Alright, that one can go straight over here now. And get some marks.
That's mine.
It's hot, Hemi. Put that one on there like that.
Yeah.
Sorry for the noise.
Yeah.
I just got this little barbecue. I had it for a long time, guys. So I'm going to get some grill marks on this bad boy and then I'll probably put them back on both the other side. T-bone and Caesar salads. Something light. Alright, so that's been on there for a while. As you can see, that's a nice colour on there. I'm going to flip this one also. They're looking really good. Sorry for the background noise. I can't change a thing. So they'll probably take about 5 minutes aside. These ones are pretty thick, so you got to let it rest too. Okay. I don't usually, but I will flip it one more time because it is a big steak. I'll leave that about 1 more minute. Let it rest. And we're gonna have a T-bone. A T-bone and a quick Caesar because I couldn't be bothered doing the salad. As is, got 3 kids and there's a lot of things to do. Alright, I think that'll about do it now. They're gonna need at least 5 minutes to rest here. They are whoppers. Absolute whoppers. So, let them rest. We'll get that cheap salad on and we'll put it together. It's been resting for about 5 minutes. Just whipped up a Caesar salad. It was in a packet, so no, I did not do it. Anyway, we're going to cut into the tail because I like the tail, I like the fat myself. So one side, obviously, you got the eye fillet, and the other side, you got the porterhouse, guys, if you didn't know. Anyway, take that off the bone there. I do want to see a little bit of pink. I'm praying. Please. Please. Clean bone anyway. Alright, porterhouse. Cooked about medium, that one. This one's a bit thicker. So I'm going to dive right into this. It's smelling good. It's such a man thing to do, is cook a massive steak. And if you don't get excited about it, well, you're probably not excited like I am, but it's just, look at that. Look at that. T-bone steaks. Soft as, tender as. Beautiful. Make sure you get your steaks from your locals, the butchers. A lot better quality. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you next time. Wow, that's so good. There you have it. Get off, even every flying camera's here, I think. Look at that. So good.